Hey, what's up? We're gonna do a cool bike from 1999-2000. This is called the Dyno Bazooka. And if you look at the catalog from 99-2000 and you scroll to near the back, you can see the bazooka in the catalog right here. So it's a pretty interesting race frame. Along with that, we have the ACS Stellar mag wheels, some Fiction Troop camo tires. We have some Fiend camo grips and a gold KMC chain. So let's throw this stuff on and see how it looks. What up, everybody? We finished this Dyno Bazooka from 99-2000. Looks really good, camo, military. We're gonna go through all the parts. We have Fiend camo grips. We did the gold La Casa stem bolts on this GT piston stem. Fiction Troop tires, ACS Stellar mag wheels, 3-spoke, gold grenade valve caps, gold KMC chain, and we have the Fiction tire on the back. Same thing, ACS mag wheel with gold grenade. So let us know if you remember this bike from the early 2000s, late 90s. Comment below if you saw any kid riding it in the neighborhood. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.